Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Home2 Suites by Hilton Columbus. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. The Home2 Suites by Hilton are located off Interstate 185, just 6 miles from Columbus State University. Guests will enjoy an outdoor pool and a daily breakfast is also provided. A cooking area with a microwave, refrigerator, and dishwasher is included in each studio and suite. Guests will also enjoy free Wi-Fi along with a flat-screen TV with cable channels in each unit. A fitness center is on site at the Columbus Home2 Suites by Hilton as well as laundry facilities. Guests will also have access to a business center and a 24-hour reception. This property is less than 15 minutes drive from Springer Opera House and Columbus City Center. The National Infantry Museum and Soldier Center is 20 minutes drive away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.